All right, Jane Boxworks here. It's 11:44 p.m. Eastern Time on the 1st of April, April Fool's Day. Thank you, Derek, for purchasing 3 boxes of 2013 Limited Football. Hope I pull you something big, buddy. Thank you. If you're watching, good luck. Forget how they slide. This side. Good luck, sir. All right. Starting off with a Jerome Bettis Legacy card out of 349. Let's save your hits here. Next up, we got a Michael Irvin Spotlight to 49 for the Cowgirls. Jonathan Stewart for the Panthers at a 399. And Frank Gore at a 399 for the 49ers. Okay, will do, Derek. Thank you, bud. All right. Nice patch, man. 4-color Mike Glennon, 17/99 for the Bucks. Very nice patch. Next up for Texas. Nice. Texas, you got Alan Bonner at a 299 for the Monkers. Nice auto coming up, my friend. Nice auto coming up. We'll save it till last. You got an extra hit in this. You did. All right, Stedman Bailey out of 199 on the Relic. Nice hit for the Rams. And you got an extra hit, my friend. Inked for the Cowgirls. Dion, 6 of 10. Dion. Neon Dion. Mister. Nice hit, dude. Box 2. All right, we got a Jarvis Jones, number 299 for Pittsburgh. Long sleeve. Save your hits. Joe Flacco, 29/49. Ahmad Bradshaw at a 399 for the Colts. Calvin Johnson Jr. for the Lions, number 399. We got another extra hit. There we go. All right. EJ Manuel, nice 3-color jumbo, 27/99. They ever give this guy a chance. Next up, we got a Jacob Tammy limited threads, number 299. Denver. We got a Marcus Wheaton, 109 of 199 on the rookie jumbo. And we got a Jeremy Curley, nice for the Jets at a 299 on the auto, extra hit. Monkers auto. Jeremy Curley, not bad. Third box. Says you get 3 hits per box. Says it right there. 3 autograph or 3 memorabilia per box. So far, you got 8 hits in 2 boxes. All right, first up, we got a Jarvis Jones for the Steelers at $2.99. Save the hits. Edgerrin James to $3.49 for the Colts. Percy Harvin to $3.99 for the Seahawks. AJ Green for the Bengals to 399. All right. We got a redemption. Expires 5/13/2015, but they will honor that for you. If they don't have it anymore, they'll give you something in replacement of it. Mike Gillislee, Material Phenoms rookie card. So I'm assuming it'll be an auto since it's a redemption. But just type it in, it'll work. Next up on the relic, we got a Tavon Austin, nice, on the jumbo at a 199. On the rookie jumbo relic. And an auto for the Atlanta Falcons at 299. You got Robert Outford. Robert Outford. So that one did not have an extra hit. That Dion was nice, my friend. Dion out of 10. Thank you, sir. I will get this out to you tomorrow. You'll probably have it by Monday or Tuesday. Take care. Have a good night, Derek. Thanks, man.